Okay, this is 6 grams of blue, 3 grams of red, and 1 gram of yellow. Going for midnight blue. Don't need much. I always tend to overdo it. That may even be too much. Ooh, look at that. Do you believe I achieved midnight blue? Do you believe I did? 2 grams red, 1 gram blue. Going for violet or purple. There we go. That's the color I want right there. That's pretty. That's a violet. The other color I made was a grape color. This is kind of grapey, but not as grapey. More purple. 3 blue and 2 yellow is what I call emerald. And I'm not 100% sure how this is going to come out on camera. It's super dark, although for some reason it still shows up as a lighter. This is not this is a really super vibrant, deep emerald color. And I just don't know if it's going to pick it up or not. The cameras just don't want to cooperate. That's what I have for emerald. Okay, this right here is, I believe it's 2 blue, 2 red, and 1 yellow. And I guess I was attempting black, but obviously I didn't get it. So I think this is a forest green. Really dark. It almost looks black, but it's not. That's how dark it is. This is so cool, seeing how this goes in the water like that. So I'll help it along. Ooh, that's really dark. It's not black. Can you see on the edge here? There's definitely a green. You see this forest green? That's what I was going for. It's hard to tell. It looks black, but look on the edge. See the edge? It's green. I put too much on my spoon too, so, but this is a really cool color if you like deep dark greens. Okay, this one is teal, which is 1 yellow, 6 blue. It's what I call my ocean teal. This is what I mixed with my kilos. Stir it like that, and it looks really like a, and I don't know if it's picking it up, but it is a blue teal. I don't know, this camera, it looks real green in the center and then blue on the edge. It's really not. I don't know. I have the light off so I wouldn't, so the overlights over the sink wouldn't shine into it. But that's the color it is. Really super pretty. But this is, let's see what this is. This is straight green. I think I have too much on my spoon. But this is 3 yellow, 1 blue, and that makes the green. And that's the straight green that I get. I love watching this, how it's very soothing and mesmerizing. But this is the straight green, and it is straight green. Now, I don't know if it's picking it up again or not, but this is straight green. This one's straight aqua. That makes just the lightest shade of aqua. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, this one I'm calling my Merlot. 1 blue to 9 red. Kind of a weird color, but it's kind of almost like a coppery color. But when you stir it up, it looks like a Merlot, like a wine color. It's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna have to work more with this. It's all over my sink. I've got to rinse it off, but yeah, like a wine color. So super, super gorgeous. Okay, this is orange, and it says on the container I did, let's see, 2 orange to 1/2 of a red. And this makes orange. Okay, that's orange. So you can mix a ton of colors to get other colors, different shades of colors.